In the second part of charts, I'll cover the pivot chart, maps, 3D maps and Sparklines feature. Now, select any cell inside the dataset, go to the Insert tab. In the Charts group of commands, click on Pivot Chart. In the Create Pivot Chart dialog box, you can see the entire range is selected automatically. Choose Existing Worksheet and cell F4 to place the chart. Click OK. Here, I want to plot the total sales and average profit of the sales reps. So, drag salesperson to the axis area, sales amount and profit to the values area. I'll change the calculation for profit. Right-click here, Value Field Settings. In Summaries Value Field by Section, select Average and OK. And that's it. To filter your data, click on Salesperson, uncheck Select All and check Preferred Salesperson and OK. You are only seeing the sales and profit of these sales reps now. You can change the chart type here also. Let's change it to pie chart and see how it looks. You can visualize your graphical data and plot it on a map using the map chart and 3D map features. It can be a great addition to your presentations and reports. There's another quick way to spot trends without getting lost in numbers. Sparklines. In this dataset, we have sales performance data for 3 months. Let's make this practical. Go to the Insert tab, find the Sparklines group and pick the one you need, line, column or win-loss. I'm going with line now. In the Create Sparklines box, select your data range. And the location range or the output range is automatically selected as the current active cell. OK. You have got a Sparkline showing the trend of your numbers. Drag the fill handle down to autofill the rest. In the Sparkline Contextual tab, you can edit the data based on what you inserted in this tiny graph. You can change the type from here. Let's say if I want to change them to column, just click on it and they are converted to columns. Get back to the previous one. You can show various points from here. High point. In cell F10, the sales of Javier Rodriguez in February is higher than in the other 2 months. So, the high point should be in the middle. Notice here, if the point is inserted here after checking the high point option. Yes, it's working correctly. Similarly, you can show the low point, first point, last point, negative points if you have that kind of data. You can change the styles quickly. Also, changing the Sparkline color and the marker color are also possible. You can choose separate colors for different types of markers. You may have noticed that whenever you are selecting any cell in this column, the entire Sparklines range gets highlighted. By default, Sparklines are grouped. You can ungroup the selected cell from them using this Ungroup option. In the Clear option, you can clear the Sparkline just from the selected cell. Let's say I'm selecting cell F5. Clear drop-down and click on Clear Selected Sparklines. And it's gone. Undo the action by pressing Ctrl+Z. Also, you can delete the entire range. Go to the Sparkline Contextual tab and use the Clear Selected Sparkline groups. They all are gone. Time for a quick pop quiz. Add a column Sparkline to data representing your daily steps. What does the Sparkline tell you about your week? Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye!